Welcome to this edition of No Polish Gel Acrylic Anonymous. This is an addiction channel now, and we are showing all of our addictions to our, nail polishes. This is my collection. I am so hooked on all these. It is just insane. And yet, as I show you this collection, I have probably, I don't even know, like 20, 30 more to add to it. Yeah, so welcome to this season's Polish Anonymous. So anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. This is super cheap and kind of efficient. You never know what you're gonna get, but it kind of turns out good most of the time. Brand that I get from one of my suppliers. I'm guessing it's called Angelacq, like, like lacquer, but Angelacq. It's Angelacq. I will leave the spelling somewhere up here to the left or right, right about now. Beep. And, you just never know what you're going to get with this one. I swear on life, this stuff is like $3 and you get the actual gel polish and you get the lacquer. So you get the matching set just like D&D or the C&D sets or the OPI sets. You only pay $3 for it. It's pretty crazy. The cool thing about this is that it actually comes out very, very, jelly nail like. So it's like a dark green jelly nail, which is kind of cool because I have another jelly nail polish that comes out super light green. So this is actually going to be a perfect little accent to it. I can probably do a nice little ombre look with it because see, you can see through it. This comes out to be a very pretty opalescent purple, so it's not super pigmented, but it is kind of a nice little, I don't know, little unicornish. I mean, it does have like a, not quite a shift in it, but it's just a soft purple, so it's real pretty. I like it. Definitely it'll work. Oh, look at that pigment. Look at that pigment. Like, that is literally a one coat killer. One coat killer, and that goes on in literally one coat and covers the whole thing. I have a red in the same brand, and it does the same thing. It goes on in one coat. It's fantastic. So that's how this one goes. So far, so good. So I'm assuming at this point that I did the coats a little too thick. This usually doesn't happen, but it can occur if you do your layers too thick or if your lamp is not strong enough. I definitely know that the lamp that I'm using is strong enough. I've been using this lamp for a while. So my guess is that I did the coat a little too thick. So I'm going to do a second one here in just a moment and just show what a real thin coat will do and see if it fixes the problem. Now, this color, I have been obsessing on this color all season. I have not been able to use this color on not one living soul yet. So I have been itching to do this. I am so ready to have my clientele come back in. I've literally been closed for about a month and a half, if not a little bit longer. It has been terrible. Like I dream about doing nails. So I have been ready to do this set. Like with the green, that green has just been calling my name. What's your favorite green? What's your favorite season color this season? Is it green? Is it like the burgundies, like the browns? What are y'all feeling this fall season? Be sure and comment in the comments below and let me know what you're feeling. And look at that. It did come out good. So I'm going to do a second coat real quick and make sure that it comes out perfect. Well guys, that concludes another video. Thank you guys for joining me, and I can't wait till our next video. Be sure and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think, what you want our next video to be, and I will see you guys later. Bye!